Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TopStep to TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Then you need to simply launch any of the charts in front of you. For example, let's say I've opened the chart of gold in front of me. So here, once you are inside the chart analysis page, simply click on the trading panel option in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now it is going to show you the list of all of the trusted brokers which you can easily connect with your TradingView account. When you click on the option of show all brokers, it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers. Now among these, you just have to look for TopStep. You can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you can simply search for TopStep. Now since TopStep is a prop firm, you may not find it over here because you can only connect the brokers with TradingView. So in this particular scenario, what you can do is you can just simply start analyzing the chart here with the help of these tools available in the left hand side. After that, when you are about to take the trade, you can open your credentials in MT5 or MT4 or C traders in your phone or on your PC, and then you can log in, and after that you can place your order very easily. So this way you will be able to use TopStep and your TradingView account together. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.